technical tool you are seeing right here is called Fibonacci retracement levels. So this particular thing you are seeing right here is being used to determine the entry and exit point in a trade. Thanks for joining me in my masterclass today. My name remains Ernest Bukas, and you are watching Bukas Masterclass. In this particular tutorial video, I am going to show you how to use Fibonacci retracement tool. So this Fibonacci retracement tool is a tool that is in TradingView, and this tool has some levels whereby if you plot it correctly, you can use it to determine the continuation of a trend in the market. And this particular tool, you can also use it as an entry and exit point in the market. So join me in this video to the end. Let me show you how to use this particular tool. If you are a new subscriber, if you are a new visitor in this my channel, please do well and like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, please like and share this video. Thanks, and join me in the screen right now. Let me show you the few overview of how to use Fibonacci retracement tools. Hello guys, here we are, and you are going to learn how to use Fibonacci retracement levels and how to use it to determine the exit and entry point in a trade. The full tutorial you are going to learn in this particular video. So let's forge ahead. Let me show you the key areas where we'll be looking out to in this course. Now, area of concentration on today's tutorial will be what is Fibonacci retracement, how to plot what is Fibonacci retracement, how to plot Fibonacci in your chart, how to use Fibonacci and key levels of Fibonacci. And also the last point we're going to talk about today is how to place stop loss and take profit using Fibonacci retracement levels. So let's talk about the first point right here. What is Fibonacci levels? What is Fibonacci retracement levels? These things, Fibonacci itself is a number of progression series. Okay, is a number of progression series. All these lines you are seeing is a progression series, a mathematical numbers. Now, a sequence of Fibonacci is like this. Let's say we'll have 1 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 1 first is equal to 2. Then we're gonna have second, we pick this, we say 1 plus 2, we're gonna have 3, right? This one is 2 because it's 1 plus 1, remember. Then let me clean it down so that you understand. Then this is 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Then 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Then we say next is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then next here we'll have 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So here right now we have 2, 3, 5, 8. These are Fibonacci sequence numbers. These are Fibonacci sequence numbers. Now, what is Fibonacci in terms of crypto trading? What is Fibonacci in terms of crypto trading? So let's forge ahead. Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate the area of support level where price of an asset or coins have a possible reverse directions. You understand? So these are levels, a horizontal lines with, when you plot this in your chart, you will see the horizontal lines. These are levels whereby if a coin is on one particular trend, there will be a possible retracement of that coin. So what we use Fibonacci retracement levels to do is, when those retracements are happening, let Fibonacci help us to point out the particular level for a particular level where there will be a reverse of that trend. Let's say if a coin is trending up, okay, if a coin is trending up and a retracement happens, we already know that this coin is actually this is a long trend. But you know, in trading there will be a coin cannot just move straight up without retracement. There must be a retracement. Okay, so we use Fibonacci levels to plot out those retracement levels that the continuation of that trend will start. Okay, if we have a trend, going on, and unfortunately when we progress in the trend, we will have a retracement before the continuation of that trend. So why during that continuation, that reverse continuation of the trend, that is what we use Fibonacci levels to do. So this Fibonacci level will help us to go in a trend and join the continuation of that trend. So this particular thing is why we use Fibonacci level. So as we go on, I will also show you what is Fibonacci and how you can plot it out in your trade. But before, let me show you the 3 points of what Fibonacci really does and the areas where you can use Fibonacci. Then the first point here says the first thing you should know about Fibonacci 2 is that it works best when the market is trending, whether in downtrending or in an uptrending. What you need to understand is these things actually work best when the market is trending. We don't use it when the market is in range or is moving sideways. We particularly use it when the market is trending. Okay, now the idea is to go long. Second point, the idea is to go long or a retracement at a Fibonacci support level when the market is trending up. You understand? Now, what do we mean here? As I told you earlier, the idea of this is to go long when a market is retracing, so that when the continuation of that trend happens, you will be inside the trend, rolling in profits. Okay, so this is exactly what we use Fibonacci for long. Now, for short and to go short, the inverse of the case is to go short on a retracement at the Fibonacci resistance levels when the market is trending down. Okay, now the difference here is the idea is to go long or buy on a retracement at Fibonacci support level. Now note this point here. This place it says at the support level. Now this place says at the resistance level. This is the difference between the short and the long. So the Fibonacci level helps us to go long or to buy a coin when we spot out the support level. Now, I know by now if you are watching me or if you are joining me because I know there are many people that will be watching this for the first time. But if you are watching for the first time, I want you to know that a support level is the area where a price of an asset has bounced continuously. This is the area where buyers pull in to push in a coin, where buyers come in to buy a coin. This is for you to know a support level. The price might have retested that level more than two times. This will determine the support level. Why resistance level is that level whereby sellers are hoping to sell their asset. This level, you determine it when the price of an asset or price of coin, price of token has actually gone to this resistance level more than twice. Okay, this level is called, these levels are where we are hoping, where sellers are hoping to sell the coins, shorters are hoping to short the market. Now, in using Fibonacci levels, this Fibonacci retracement level, when we go when the market is trending down. When the market is trending down, we look for Fibonacci resistance level. That is when the market is trending down. But when the market is trending up, okay, when the market is trending up, we look for Fibonacci support level in order to buy that asset. Hope you understand. Hope you are following me. So while we progress on this chart, in this I will also show you what is Fibonacci and how to use them. So I hope you understand what is Fibonacci and what it actually does in the chart. Now, the next point we have here is, so we have actually done this one. I know you understand what Fibonacci is right now and when to use it, when to use it. Now, the next point we're going to talk about here is how to plot Fibonacci in your trading chart. So we are going to hop into trading view and I will show you how to plot Fibonacci in your chart. So this is a Fibonacci. So I want to remove this so that we start afresh and you will see how to plot this in your chart. Okay. Okay. Now, for you to plot Fibonacci in your chart, I know by now if you are a subscriber to this channel or if you are a new subscriber, please watch the video I did about how to set up your trading view. If you watch this video, you will be able to know where to bring out your Fibonacci retracement tools, because it is a tool in the trading view. So once you click on right here, you will see. So once you click here, you will see Fibonacci. You will take your Fibonacci level. Now the point here is how do you plot Fibonacci? You plot, if you are trying to go long, you start from the lowest wick, not the body, the lowest wick of the candle. Now, okay, I think I'm making a mistake. Let me show you, because you use Fibonacci when the market is trending. And how do you determine which type of trend the market is on at that particular time? You can see my chart. Let me remove this. Do you see any line? So now I added 50 MA moving average. Now, if you see this thing I have in this chart is a 50 MA moving average. And as you can see that this 50 MA is below the price, this actually tells you that the market is in uptrend. Or you can add 200 MA moving average. Once the 200 MA moving average is below the price, you know that the market is trending up. So this particular coin I'm trading right now is actually in an uptrend. Okay, hope you understand. So once you add your moving average and is moving along the price and is below the price, you know that the market is at uptrend. And what you will be looking out to is you use your Fibonacci to plot out the long position of the coin. That what you want to get from the market is you want to go long. Okay, you want to go long, but you don't know the area you want to go long. You don't know which level to go. Okay, you don't know which level for you to enter the market. You understand? You don't know which level to enter the market. So this is what Fibonacci does for you. After adding your 50 MA moving average, 50 period moving average, okay, you understand that the market is in uptrend. Now the first thing you need to check again, because I am actually going to, this market has been moving like this. I wake up and I saw this market like this. I saw this candle moving like this. Maybe the red candle has formed and I want to know which area, because this is the upper, this is the swing high of this coin. this particular coin. Okay, you can see this place right now is this high of this coin. Okay, I don't know why this thing is showing. I don't know. Okay, let's go. Now this coin is trending up here, so I want to know whether there will be a retracement. Which area will this retracement that has started happening here, this retracement that has started happening here, where will it end, and how can I join this uptrend? Because the 50 period moving average has actually showed me that this is an uptrend. Okay, so what we do, you bring out your Fib retracement tool. First you bring it out, then you plot in from the lower, from this wick right here, the wick of this Japanese candlestick, then you plot into the highest of this particular coin right here. Okay, now so this is how to plot Fibonacci in your chart. Okay, this is how to plot Fibonacci in your chart. For uptrend, this is how to plot Fibonacci in your chart. As you have plot Fibonacci level, right, as you have plot this place, now the next thing is to determine the key level areas to go in this trade. The key level areas to go in this particular trade. The key level areas to go in this particular trade. Now we have we have 61.8%, 50%, and 38%. So now there is what you call gold and pocket levels. So let me show you what gold and pocket level is, how to know the key levels to go in using Fibonacci. So I think I'm going to scroll up for you to understand something now. This is okay. Now there's what you call gold and pocket level, and the gold and pocket level is actually a good golden area to enter using the Fibonacci levels. So gold and pocket is between 61.8% and 50%. So anything around this level, around this place, is gold and pocket level. So 38%, 20% are also areas you can enter in trade, but mostly where the people do enter is 61.8%, 50%, and 38.2%. Okay, these areas is the area where people do go in. So 61.8%, 50%, and 38.2%. Now if you are looking right here, you can see that this page is actually telling you that this is a support level, 50% retracement level, which is here. You can actually go in from here. This is a resistance level, but this is not actually a resistance level of, if you want to take profit from here, you are actually going to take small profit. So you want to take a good profit, so you place your resistance level around these places, around this place. But I am actually going to show you how to use this thing to determine take profit and exit point. So let's go back to the chart. Now you have plot in these areas. Now this 0.5, as you are seeing it in my chart as 0.5, it's actually more than that, but so as you are seeing, hope my chart is very clear right now. So as you can see this now, we have 0.18%. Between 0.18 and 0.50, this level is 0.18%, and this level here is 0.50. So between this center of this, something like 58, 57 is the gold and pocket really level, which is actually the best level to enter a trade. But I want to tell you that if you enter from here, now this 61.8% is 9.7 in the price of this coin I'm trading. Is 9.7 in the price of this coin, which is I'm trading Atom/USDT. Now 9.7, 9.9, 10.1, these are the actual area you can go in. Remember, these things has not happened. You are actually looking for where to place a buy order and leave it for the retracement to reach there and pick up. Now, for you to know how powerful this tool is, you might go in here and see. Let's see what happens next. You enter this trade, you went on your trading platform, you went on MaskEX, and you type Atom/USDT long with 20x at 9.8 at the price of 9.8. Now see what happens. We play this chart. See what happens. Okay, so we play this chart. See what happens. See. So I think wait. Okay, nice. So let's enlarge this. So let's enlarge this. Now you can see from the chart that you have placed a buy order here. Remember, the main reason why we use this tool is for us to catch the continuation of the trend. So while the retracement is happening, we want to catch the continuation of this uptrend. So as a person, you said 61.8% is the area I'm going to enter the trade. So, and that 61.8% is 9.7. So we enter this trade at 9.7. See what happens. See, you enter here at the retracement and see the continuation of the trend happen. From here, you are in profit. You are in profit till this very end. It's very simple. It's very simple. Hope you understand what I mean. Even if you enter from here, you are also going to be in profit till this very end. Okay, the continuation of the trend. You understand? Now, if a retracement is going to happen which place, this is what I'm going to do, because this is most YouTubers do. They don't use they don't use what is happening to teach you. They actually use what has happened in the past. Now, but it's also good for you to understand. But if I am to plot this thing again, I can say this is the lower wick. I can say this is the wick. So I can say this is the wick, and if I want to say I want to plot in the best area to catch up this retracement that is building up in Atom right now. Okay, so this is what I will do. I plot in my chart like this. I'll plot in my chart like this, and the 61.1, 0.5, all these levels are where I am going to come in here and place what am I going to place here? And place a long order, because 50 period moving average is still below the price. But remember, this trend here is not as strong as this trend. Okay, if you add, so we are still in the uptrend. So if a retracement is about to happen here, I can place along here and wait for the retracement to happen. So this is actually what Fibonacci tool do for you. So we're going to look for more examples. Let's go back to the chart. Let's trade back to the chart and see where these things has actually happened. So let's assume this thing is actually happening right now, and you want to spot out the area of the Fibonacci level you want to go long on. You pick up this, the wick, remember, not the body of the candle, the wick, the lowest wick of the candle. You pick up this and you stretch it to the last, to the swing high of this, okay? Then this is the area now. This is the 61.8%, 50%. All these places you can place your buy order, and let's play the chart. You see, it picked you from 61.8%, then you are here, you enter here, you exist at the resistance level. Or you stick in the chart, you enter here, you see the pump. This is actually how it works, and you can use it and be killing the market. You can be using it and be killing the market, making a shit profit out of the market. Okay, so the next point I'm going to show you now is, let's check the next point we have. So you actually learn how to plot in Fibonacci and the key areas of Fibonacci and how to plot it in your chart. I know by now you have learned that today. Now, so let's read how to actually plot in this chart. First step is finding the recent swing high and swing low, the recent one. As you saw me do in that chart, you know, I pick up from the recent ones, okay? The recent one, because you're actually going to trade the continuation of that trend. So you find the recent prices. Now, to plot uptrend, you click on the swing low and drag it to the most recent swing high, as you saw me perform right now in the chart. Now, to plot downtrend, click on the swing high and drag to the most swing low. Now, the first example I gave you, I did right now, is the swing up. Now is the uptrend. So right now we're going to try to check areas of shorting the market down. Now, if you want to short the market down, if you understand that this market is in a downtrend and you want to spot out the continuation of that downtrend, that you want to short the market from the continuation of the downtrend, so you are going to place your moving average, as I did, 50 period moving average. Once you place your 50 period moving average or 200 period moving average, this will help you to know the current market situation, whether in uptrend or in downtrend. And when you discover that it is in downtrend, you are going to use your fib to determine the continuation of that downtrend for you to make shit profit out of the market. So let's go. So we are here. Okay, so we are here now. Okay, now this is the lowest low of this trend. Okay, this particular area is the lowest low of this trend, this particular area. Let me bring one of my tools. Okay, this area right here, the wick. So, and 50 period moving average has even moved ahead of the price. We have moved above the price, so it has told me that this is a downtrend. We are actually in a downtrend. Okay, this tool works best using 1 hour, 4 hour, depending on the time frame you want to trade, depending on how long you want to stay in your trade. So this particular tool here has actually showed me that this is a downtrend. We are actually in a downtrend. So what am I going to do? I want to spot in the continuation of the downtrend. I want to spot in the continuation of the downtrend. So what do? I pick up my fib. Okay, then this time around, remember, during the uptrend you plot from down to up. Now the downtrend will have to plot from above. So you see, now I want to plot here. to the downtrend here. Okay, now here. So what am I looking for? But there is something that happens during this downtrend. Sometimes it's not actually the trade will not pick you. So I have found out, personally has found out that using downtrend, 38 and 50% fib levels are actually the best. That's the area where the trade can pick you. If you focus on the golden pocket, the trade may not actually pick you. Or if you use 78% fib levels or 61.8% fib levels, the trade might not actually pick you. So the area where it actually picks you best is using 38.2% or 50%, or even using 23.6% in downtrend. That's the area that you are going to be sure of that this trade will pick you from there. So if we enter here at 38.2% or 50%, so we place an order to know the continuation of the trend. So we are going to down. So you see what happens here. The trade is trending up. There was a reverse. There was a retracement, a reverse from the current downtrend. So the market started going up. Now the market is going up. We have confirmed that this is a downtrend. This is very simple. I want you to understand. Okay, we have confirmed that this is a downtrend using 50-period moving average. So which is above the price. Now, as a trader, you have confirmed that this is a downtrend, but you are still confused. Why is the market going up? Why has the market started going up from here? So, because you are fully sure that this is a downtrend, you want to start from here. Okay, you want to continue the trend. You want to make profit from the downtrend. That's why you plot in your Fib levels, and that I have told you that 38.2% works best in this. 38.2%. So let's assume you enter at 38.2%. You may enter here. Remember, you place an order. These things has not happened. You point it out when this has started happening, and 50-period moving average has shown you that this is a downtrend. So you say, okay, you plot in your Fib, and you saw that this area that you need to place a short order. This is a futures trade. Okay, you place a short order at 7.95 price of atom at this particular price. Now remember, see what happened next. You enter the market here and shoot profit. Okay, you enter the market from here and you made all the way to here. All the way to here you are making money. All the way to here you are making money. You trace it using your 50. Just monitor your 50-period moving average. As the trend changes, then you know that the trend has changed. Then what next do we do, right? Let's check the next trend to enter the market. Okay, hope you understand. I've shown you how to long and how to short, how to use fib levels to determine the area to short and the area to long. Now let's check the next thing we have. So I think we are done with this, how to plot, how to use Fibonacci. We have done with this. Then key levels of Fibonacci, we are done with this. I told you the key levels is between 30, depending in downtrend, I actually use 38 and 50, 38.2% and 50. While in uptrend, I use 50, 61%, or the golden pocket level, which is at 58, 57, and 56. Around this level are the gold and pocket levels, which is actually a killing level for using Fibonacci. You place it there, the market must pick you, and once the market picks you, each trend, if it is an uptrend, continuation of that trend. Now, how to use Fib to place SL and TP, that is your stop loss, their stop loss and take profit. This is actually one thing that many people don't know how to do, but it's very simple. You enter the support, you place below the support. You enter the resistance, you place above. It's very, very simple for support and resistance level. But I'm still going to show you in my chart. So in my charts right here, let's say you join this market. This is a downtrend. Let's do downtrend first. You join this market from this level. Okay. You join this market from this level, you want to place a stop loss, isn't it? It's very, very good to place a stop loss. No tool is 100% good. No tool at all is 100% good. You understand? The area you know it today, so that because Fibonacci are considered as a predictive technical indicator. Okay, these are considered as a predictive technical indicator. It's not 100% correct. It can be 80% correct, it can be 70% correct, but don't be that person that will lose all your funds that day that the fell will go incorrect. That's why SL is important. You may be thinking that it's working for you. It has worked several times, but remember, it is not 100% correct. One day there might be a good strong trend. There might be a strong trend in the market. You want to long. Okay, you want to long. You want to spot in the long retracement, and unfortunately, it retraced to your entry, and the downtrend which has started happening keep happening because a trend reversal is looking like it's trying to happen. You didn't use stop loss that day, you might lose all the funds you have been making. So don't be that person that will trade like that. Be person that use stop loss, but don't be someone that use stop loss that with fear. There are people that use stop loss with fear, and when you use stop loss with fear is when you will enter at 38.2%, then you put stop loss at 50%. You use stop loss with fear. A single uptrend can took you out of the market. You will not make profit and you will lose the one you have. So don't be that person. So if you enter at 38.2%, let your stop loss be at 61.8% using the Fib level. Okay, hope you understand. Or let your stop loss be at this resistance level. 2 points right now. You can use resistance level on a downtrend, though. That is when you are shorting. Hope you understand. When you are shorting, use the Fib, use resistance level as your SL. That is stop profit, the stop loss, and or you put it at the first level, second level. That's the first level after your entry, the second level after your entry. You place it at the second level after your entry, which I mean this level. You place it, you enter here, you place it along this level. You place it along this level. Okay, so that when a retracement happens, you will not be caught out. This thing actually, every time this thing will. So don't be this type of person that will not use stop loss. So when you enter here, make sure your stop loss is around this level. Okay, is around this level, so that even if the trend try to be very strong, like the retracement try to be strong enough, you will not be pushed out of the market very early. So make sure that you put your stop loss after, like, from you enter here, skip this and put your stop loss right here, or you use the latest resistance level, which is above here, which is this level, or you use this level as your stop loss. Okay, if you are a long time trader, maybe you are a swing trader, okay, you can use this place as your stop loss so that you can accumulate, but don't accumulate much positions, because the trend goes wrong, you will also lose much more money. So placing here is okay for long trend. Then let's talk about the uptrend. Okay, if we are to talk about uptrend, you see that the retracement is actually happening in out of right now. So if you are placed, maybe I can place, maybe I say I want to place, so let's do it now. I want a long from here to here, okay, and here I extend this to here to actually know the point. So I want a long from between 58 to go down pocket level, then which is this area. So I want a long at 10.2. okay, I want to go in at 10.2, so I can actually place here. Once you go in from 10.3 or 10.2, or if you are going from 3.8 or here, anywhere you are going, just make sure that your support, your SL can be around this place, or on this support level. Okay, make sure your SL can be here or this support level, or you can decide. So if you want to take profit, if you enter from 0.61.8, you can take profit from 23.6. okay, don't be that person that want to accumulate all the whole percent, like from 100 to 200 before you can take profit. If you see good 2010, if you see good 20%, good 10%, what am I saying, good 10%, if you are consistent with 10% every day, do you know how much you are going to make? If you are consistent with 10%, that every day what you look out in the market is 10%. Do it for 1 week and see your life. So you see your trading account change. Your main aim is to get 10% out of the market. Do it complete 1 week. If your balance will not change, don't come to this channel again. So be consistent in a percent. Don't be that person that want to get 100%, and before you get 100%, they will now come back and take the one you have. Know it that the market don't want you to win. You are the person that want to win. You want to make out something from the market, so don't be greedy. So maybe you enter from here, this place you can take profit and go. From here you can take profit and go. You see, this Feb level is actually gives you see you have actually started working from here anyway. So if you plotted this thing earlier, this particular place now will pick you. Now as it's riding up here, you are in profit. It has even giving you like 10%. You take it and go. You take it and go. You take it and go, or you wait for the big retracement, which will actually come here or here. You put it here, and you spot out good market, good money, and leave the market. So this is actually how to use Feb retracements. There is another one called trend-based retracement. Yeah, trend-based extension. You can actually use trend-based extension to take profit. I don't know I can cover it on this course, but it's a tool also you can use to take profit. Maybe I plot from here. You can actually trend-based extension. So If this thing is a long trend, to here, I enter. Okay, let's do it. There is still time. So this is a long trend. So this is a long trend. So we enter the market from here. Then the next thing is we want to use trend based extension. So we enter from here to here, 1 to this level 2. So what do we use this trend based extension to do? So what we use this trend based extension to do is the Feb retracement level you have entered the market, right? Then you can use trend based extension to determine your exit point. So you can use this level as the exit point, the 23.6%, 38.2% as your exit point. You can use it and take profit. So once you plot in here, it will bring out the extension for you, and those areas are where you can take profit out of the market. Okay, so I know today guys, I know today you have actually learned something. If you do like what you just learned, please do me a favor, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button, so when next I drop any new video, you will be able to be the first person to watch it and gain the information I'm trying to pass across. So this channel, all we do is crypto trading and tutorials. So nothing else, only trading and tutorials and other things that you can help you to leverage your income. This channel will be your best channel ever. So like this video, please guys, do well and like this video, so that if you are liking this video, YouTube is going to rank this video, and once someone search in this YouTube search engine, they will recommend this my video to them. So please, after watching, don't be greedy of like. Don't be greedy. It's just a click. Just click it, boom, like the video if you like what I teach you. So just like the video, recommend this channel to your friends and family. Let's be a great family. Let's just grow. Thank you guys for 1,005 subscribers. I'm very, very happy. Thanks. We hope to reach 2K really soon. Thank you for joining me in my masterclass today. I remain Ernest Bookers, and you just watched Bookers Masterclass. Before I forget, please make sure you are using MaskEX Exchange, guys. If you have not registered, please register. If you have not registered, please guys, do well and register. Okay, this is MaskEX Crypto Exchange, one of the best exchange ever. Do not miss this great opportunity that this exchange is trying to give you. The exchange is actually running an airdrop right now. You can join. What is the airdrop that they are doing? It is simple, just follow the Twitter handle and the Telegram handle, which the link will be in the description of this video. Just follow and like and join the Telegram, and you will win money. I mean money. Please participate and show us love. Recommend this exchange to your friends and family. Let them come and trade with us. My invitation code is in the description of this particular video. Make sure you register with my link, and also invite your friends to register too. We are going to be a very big family. Okay, join MaskEX today and join a great opportunity, a great exchange. Many opportunities are coming in. So use the link in the description of this video and register your account. It's free. Register your account and greet me. You get tutorial for free. Okay, register the account and get crypto tutorial for free. Please guys, this exchange remains one of the best exchange I've ever seen. Very simple. You can see everything is simple. Everything is simple. You can see everything is just simple. The futures trading and everything is simple. So invite your friends to trade in MaskEX. Invite your friends to trade in MaskEX. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace.